And to continue answering the Honourable Correl's question, Honourable Speaker, I'd just like to clarify that at the moment there is only one Fijian officer deployed to UNIFIL, Lebanon, and additionally another Fijian serves with the United Nations Cruise Supervision Organization, or ANSO as it's commonly known. And our contingents in the United Nations Disengagement Observer Force, ANDOF, they all remain unaffected by the recent escalations in the region. Mr. Speaker, sir, ensuring the safety and the well-being of our peacekeepers is a top priority for the coalition government. The situation in the Middle East presents significant risks, and we are closely monitoring the developments. Our troops are well prepared, they are safe, they strictly adhere to standard operating procedures, and are supported by robust contingency plans for potential evacuation. The Ministry is in regular contact with the headquarters of the Republic of Fiji Military Forces, the Joint Task Force Command at Black Rock that looks after our peacekeeping troops that are deployed out in the Middle East and throughout the world, and also with the United Nations Department of Peacekeeping Operations in New York, the UNDPKO, to ensure effective coordination and support for our peacekeepers at this time. We are also consulting with some governments, including the United Arab Emirates, on temporarily stationing RSMF troops and equipment in their territory, which would enhance our readiness. Additionally, we are working with development partners to explore options for strategic air support if needed. Mr. Speaker, sir, the coalition government remains committed to safeguarding our peacekeepers and Fijians residing in the Middle East. We are receiving situation reports daily, and we keep our stakeholders informed. And we are prepared to respond swiftly to any emerging challenges. I would just like to also inform you, Honourable Speaker, that the Prime Minister recently had given directions to government that the Fijian government will work with the United Nations in as far as the safety of our troops are concerned. So we align ourselves to the UN, and then we work with them in the event that, in looking after the safety of our troops. So as part of this commitment also, Honourable Speaker, we're expecting government delegations to visit the Middle East in the early 2025, and this will allow us to assess their conditions, reinforce contingency measures, and personally convey the appreciation and support of the Fijian people for the work that they are doing for us. I thank you, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister Pio Tikoduadua.